English Fast, helping advanced learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR C2, antibiotic, hazardous, refine. Antibiotic. Antibiotic is a noun. C2 learners usually know antibiotic. An antibiotic is a medicine that is used to fight certain diseases. Here are some examples. Penicillin is an antibiotic. An antibiotic stops the growth of microorganisms. The doctor prescribed a course of antibiotics. Hazardous. Hazardous is an adjective. C2 learners usually know hazardous. Hazardous describes something that is risky or dangerous. Here are some examples. It was a hazardous journey. They work in hazardous conditions. Staying in a hot tub too long may be hazardous to your health. Refine. Refine is a verb. C2 learners usually know refine. To refine is to remove impurities. Here are some examples. Try to refine your answer by deleting any repetition. The furnace that refines petrol has been destroyed. Most of Scotland's oil and gas is refined there. Now write some of your own sentences with antibiotic, hazardous and refine. Download the free C2 handbook sample from englishfast.co.uk. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.